Ever wondered what happens when a city wakes up not to traffic but to trails, cheers, and purpose? Welcome to Thambarpani Trail Run, where Tirunelveli doesn't just run, it roars with life.
Well guys, good morning, and today we are very excited because we are here for the Nellai Trail Run.
Two, one, go!
Okay, go, 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 Yeah, okay, started. Good, 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 good. We can see a lot of enthusiastic runners running ahead. A lot of kids also. Oh,
After 15 years.
okay, so one of my friend here is saying he's running after 15 years. But you're doing well, man. So you have come from outside?
Yeah, Ranchi.
Ranchi. So this one has come from Ranchi, and see his enthusiasm and motivation to take part in this. Hello, good, good, good. Good running. Okay, so we are taking a turn from there, and now we are running beside this. And he is my elder one, and good of him to participate and running well. Good, 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 good. Lot of kids are also running ahead, so it's good to see people getting into this fitness event, and they are joyful. Yeah, as we are running along this rivulet onto our side, we can see the beautiful sun rising up and the green fields. Yeah, so few of our known person are also running here. Yeah, तो आपको क्या कहना है इस दौड़ के बारे में?
क्या कहना है?
Yeah.
गलती से आ गया
गलती से आ गया।
हमको सोना था संडे को।
तो इनको सोना पसंद है। ओह ग्रेट ग्रेट। ये हमारी साइड में जो है उनका भी यही कहना है कि इनको भी उठा के लेके जाए, बट भाई सीनरी अलग ही है। ये देखो
सूर्योदय।
यस, सी द राइजिंग सन। दिस इज द मोटिवेशन व्हिच मेक्स इट रन अर्ली मॉर्निंग। बिट ऑफ डाउनहिल। Yes. Oh, so downhill. Continuous entry, and whoa, this is good. Definitely a trail run to enjoy. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So over a rocky cliff. Number of people to cheer up, and beautiful sun ahead with green fields. Yes, 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 yes. Ajo, come. You are in camera. Yo. Oh. Just saved from falling down. See a small hillock which is called Mount Kolontu, where there is a small temple and a huge lamp to lit those lamps for the puja and all. Yeah, and here we have got the water point. We can have water and then move ahead. Yeah. So few drops of hydration and this orange. Make it refreshing. Motivate to run. Yes, sir. Good, sir. Good, Josh. Yeah, one of my partner from the earlier Nelle run, which we ran in stadium. Yeah, in the stadium we started. So again we have met. So again, this running organized marathons help us to connect. Good. Yeah, people have coming back with great gusto. Here. I think the turning point is nearby for the 10 kilometer. Reaching the 5 kilometer turning point.
बैंड वहीं रिटर्न
Oh,
तन्नी इनको और सर के इधर से रिटर्न है बैंड ले लो
band we have to take and show it there.
बैंड ले लो
Yeah.
तन्नी इनको
And water.
बैंड बैंड போடணுமா ஆமா அதான் குடுக்குறேன் பிரதீர் की வாங்க कल बोल लो इधर से रिटर्न सर वणकम
Okay, so we have got the confirmation band, and from here we turn back 5 kilometers to the same route to the starting point, which is again the finishing point also. Yeah, started jogging again. Yeah, so good. Hey! Good running. So a lot of different organization group are also here. Come, slow running. Yeah, good, bhai. Yeah, so a lot of people catching up. Yeah. Good. Yay! It's good to capture the moments of the runners and the happy moments. Yeah. Hi. So we have the young runner here. So how you are feeling? Running? Good? Nalla running?
Where are you from?
I'm from Tirunelveli.
I am also.
Okay, he's from Tirunelveli. So good to see you running. Yeah. Bye. Young blood and good energy. Yeah. Just few meters more and turning point is there. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Good running. That I'm saying again because running in a trail is a different emotion altogether, and it gives the elevated feeling of being in a surreal moments. Yay! Yeah. Yes, sir. Super. Yeah. The energetic wave by the participants give you the additional boost to keep going on. Yeah. So this marathon has been organized by Nelle Runners, and this is the organization which is in the forefront of organizing such kind of runs, and I really appreciate them because in this remote area, yes sir, in this remote area, as I was saying, very few runs are conducted. Mostly they are conducted in major cities like Trivandrum or Madurai or Chennai. So they are doing a very important role in creating a conscious among the youth and the people of all stature of life that one has to take on fitness to prevent the sedentary diseases which are occurring in a very prevalent manner. Uphill, and then we are onto the plane. Yeah. Now back to the plain and easy peasy all the way back. So as per my watch, we have completed 7 kilometers. So doing well, I think. Ooh. Yeah. So last water point before we reach the end point. So let's enjoy and then we'll move it. Yeah. Watermelon. Fresh and juicy. This is what I like about organized marathons, where you get to eat a lot of fruits, healthy foods, and some eateries, so which you didn't get when you're running solo. There is no set aim as to how many kilometers, or there is no set pace which you're doing unless you are practicing for something which is coming up. So these marathons help us in giving us an aim and giving us our best and going beyond our limit as we run on this run which are organized. Yeah. Good. So as per my watch, 9 kilometers we have completed, and from this bridge which we have taken a turning point for the trail run from the black tarmac road, so left we have to turn and then 1 kilometer and we are at the finishing point. So last time for the 21 kilometers or 10 kilometers we had gone towards the straight and then come on the same route and then here, and for 21 we had come from there and to this route. Yeah. Yeah. So crossing the bridge with the river underneath. Sun has also risen a bit, giving you a little warm feeling, but by the time it becomes intolerable because of the heat generated due to run and the warmth of the sun, we'll be finishing this run. Yeah. So this is the car parking for this marathon.
Yes.
And my young partner of the run. So you are representing which school?
Golden Jubilee.
Golden Jubilee in Tanul Valley.
Internal.
Okay, man. Chalo, last run.
Yeah.
Last should be.
Come on, sir.
Finishing should be good.
Yes. And they have organic breakfast, water there.
Congrats.
Photo point there. அங்க ஃபினிஷர்ல போய் போட்டோ எடுங்க, நல்லா இருக்கும். போட்டிங் 10k ஃபினிஷர்ல போட்டோஸ் எடுத்துருங்க. கண்டிப்பா இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல.
Okay, finish off with the run. Got this wooden medal, which is the trademark of this Nellai trail running marathon. तो साहब आपको कैसा लगा भाग के?
बहुत बढ़िया साहब,
बहुत बढ़िया
एंजॉय किया रन के दौरान.
ओके, तो ये आपका पहला ऑर्गेनाइज मैराथन? सेकंड. पहला कहाँ था?
फर्स्ट बठिंडा.
ओके, तो ये जनाब आए हैं बठिंडा से और इन्होंने भी बहुत बढ़िया भागा. चलो गुड, दिस इज व्हाट इज नीडेड टुडे टू पार्टिसिपेट. ओके, so after this there is food and then we'll break off. Yeah, good one.
My run was over. Balance were yet to come. The run was never about who came first or last, nor it was about who was fastest or slowest. Also, it was not about age or gender. It was to challenge yourself. It was to compete with yourself. and most of all, have the joy of running with your compatriots to make moments and memories. Nalli runners did not just organize a run, they curated an experience that proves that in a world rushing ahead, sometimes the trail leads back to what it matters, being one with the nature and breaking the cages of virtual world to connect with real people in real world. So wherever you are, just move out. Run, walk, crawl if you must, but move with intention and determination. Because finish line isn't a tape, it's a legacy you create for yourself. So as I leave, take care, bye, keep the Josh and keep fit.